Well, in string comparison, to basic rule we have to follow. If any character is given in capital letter alphabet, then it will be that letter will be small, and if it is given in small alphabet, then that letter will be bigger. Let us suppose we have a four letter John, Bobby, Meena, and Amit. Here John, Bobby, Meena are given in capital letter, Amit in small letter. Now if we have to arrange in alphabetical order, so first Bobby will come, and after B, John is coming, then Meena is coming, last Amit. Why Amit last? Because according to the rule, capital alphabet is small and small alphabet is bigger. So here capital alphabet, these are small, and after B what is coming? J, then M, and AMIT. Amit A is small, that is bigger, so it will come last. Similarly, if suppose if we have Amit A as capital, then it come first. तो स्ट्रिंग कंपैरिजन में जो कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट होता है वो स्मॉल होता है और जो स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट होता है वो बिगर होता है. सो अरेंज जब इसको करेंगे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, तो पहले बॉबी आएगा, बी के बाद जॉन आता है, मीना क्योंकि ये कैपिटल है, और उसके बाद अमित आएगा, सबसे बिगर है. इसी तरह अगर हम देखें ए बी सी और स्मॉल ए बी सी, विच वन इज़ बिगर? अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रिंग कंपैरिजन रूल, दिस स्मॉल ए बी सी इज़ बिगर and capital ABC is smaller. Now we will see AXYZ and capital AXYZ. We will compare A and A. Both are equal, but XYZ and capital XYZ, which one is bigger? This one is bigger. XYZ, small XYZ. So small like A, small XYZ is bigger, while A cap XYZ is a smaller. Small A, capital A, which one is bigger? This one. Small A is bigger and capital A is smaller. Now if we have to arrange Jay, Sumit, Bijoy and Mohan in alphabetical order. So see, Jay, Sumit and Mohan all are capital, so that will be small, and Bijoy is small, that will be bigger. So Bijoy will come last. Now which one is coming? J is coming first, then S is coming, then J, after J what is coming? M is coming, so it is Mohan, then S, then Bijoy. So when we will arrange it, we will get J, M, S for Sumit and B for Bijoy. So this is the alphabetical order for Jay, Sumit, Bijoy and Mohan. So Jay is coming first, then Mohan is coming, then Sumit is coming, and then Bijoy. It's alphabetical order. So this is the basic concept of the string comparison, that small alphabet is bigger and bigger alphabet is smaller. Now let's see the concept of sorting. Sorting arrange value in a particular order. Particular order means particular values arranged in systematical order. We can understand through simple program. Import pandas as ped, import numpy as np, df equal to pd dot data frame teachers column John, Bobby, Meena, Amit. Now J is capital, Bobby is capital, Meena is capital, A is small. Country is equal to UK Australia. Then classes equal to 27, 20, 21, 34. Now if we'll write after that this statement print df to data frame, what will be the output? T means John, Bobby, Meena, Amit. CO means UK Australia and CL means 27, 23, 21 and 34. So the final output will be, index will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Teachers column, country and classes. This is the data frame created for this statement. This statement is given teachers, Bobby and CO and classes. Now suppose if we write table is equal to df dot pivot underscore table, value is equal to CL, index equal to CO. Index equal to CO means UK Australia. Column is equal to T. Now here column is equal to T is a new statement. So what will do, it will arrange in alphabetical order. Column is equal to T means Bobby, John, Meena, Amit. And what we have, index equal to CO, it will combine common index Australia and UK. And what will we have to put? The values we have to put. So it will see what? First of all, it will see what will see for Bobby. Bobby, what is the value in Australia? It is 23. It is written 23. Then for John, what is the value in UK? It is given 27. So John in UK it is given 27. Now then what is Mina? Mina, what is the value Mina in UK? 21. So Mina UK 21 is given. And what is the value of Amit in Australia? So it is given 34, because it is given 34. And the remaining value will be filled with none. This one, and this one. So the final output will be Bobby, John, Mina, Amit. Values given 23, none, none, 34, none, 27, 21, none. This output comes when we type the following statement: table is equal to df.pivot table, value is equal to cl, index is equal to column is equal to t. Now suppose I remove this column is equal to t, this statement. Then what it will do? It will calculate the mean of what? Common index. Australia means 23 plus 34, 57 means 28.5. This are 28.5. And similarly 27 plus 21, that is 48 upon 2, 24.0. So this is calculated mean when we remove column is equal to tth portion. Now suppose we have import pandas as pd, import numpy as np, df is equal to pd dot data frame, teachers John, Bobby, Mina, Amit, country is equal to UK Australia, classes equal to 23, 27, 20, it's a 3, it's 23, then 27, 24, 34, and df is pivot underscore table, value is equal to cl, index is equal to c, column is equal to t. So what output will get? Same output as we have got in the previous section. What type of output? This output we have getting that time. But suppose if we will write print df dot sort underscore value tth column. Tth column means we have to sort the value of tth column. Tth column means this one, alphabetical order: Bobby, John, Mina, Amit. So tth column means Bobby, John, Mina, Amit. And when this will be sorted in alphabetical order, then automatically this also is sort Australia, UK, Australia, same thing. Classes also that will be 27, 23, and 24, 34. That means this one. So according to the sorting tth column, when we sort tth column, automatically CO index, and CL classes also will be sort according to that order. So the final output will be Bobby, John, Mina, Amit, Australia, UK, Australia, classes 23, 27. This is 23, 27, 24, 34. Now if I write df dot sort value is equal to CO, now it will sort according to CO. So Australia, UK. So we'll write Australia, UK, and according to that the value will be sorted. Australia, what will have value? 23. This is 23. So it will be 23. And then we have 34. So that will be 34. Then we have 27. So it will be 27, and then 24. Similarly, it will be Australia means Bobby and Amit. Then UK, John and Mina. And index, what is index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So Bobby means 1 index, 3 index, 0 index, and 2 index, because 3 for Amit. So the final output will be this. When we are sorting df dot sort value is equal to 0.